In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my wallet address on Coinbase App 2025 tutorial. Before we start, a quick note on what we're about to find. A wallet address is your public receiving address for a specific cryptocurrency. Think of it like a bank account number for that coin. It's safe to share with someone who wants to send you crypto, but never share your private keys, recovery phrase, or security codes. We'll use Ethereum as our example, but the same flow applies to other assets inside the app. Go ahead and open your Coinbase app on your phone. If you're prompted, sign in to your account using your usual method, whether that's a passcode, Face ID, or another authentication method. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your portfolio or the search bar at the top. Now let's pull up an example asset. Tap into the search bar and type Ethereum. You're looking for the Ethereum asset page within Coinbase. When you see Ethereum in the results, tap it to open its dedicated page. This page shows price charts and options related to Ethereum specifically. On the Ethereum page, look for the Receive option. Tap Receive. The app may display a quick reminder about sending only compatible assets to this address. That message is important because each crypto has its own address format and network rules. When that prompt appears, tap. Got it to continue. You'll now see your Ethereum receiving screen. Here, your wallet address will be visible as a long string of letters and numbers, and you'll usually see a QR code as well. This is the address you can provide to someone who wants to send you ETH on the Ethereum network. Always double check you're sharing the correct address for the asset you intend to receive. Sending the wrong coin or using the wrong network can result in a permanent loss of funds. From this screen, you'll typically find options to view the full address and use features like copy or share. If you do copy the address, take a moment to confirm the first and last few characters match what you expect before using it. If you're scanning a QR code, make sure the sender confirms the asset and network are correct on their end too. That's it. You open the Coinbase app, signed in, searched for Ethereum, tapped into it, selected Receive, acknowledged the reminder, and now you can see your wallet address. Follow the same approach for other coins by searching for the asset first, then using the Receive option on that asset's page. Stay safe, always verify the network, and you're good to go.